Dr. Ben.
It's not like when we leave the EU, suddenly we're going to lose all the laws that came in because of our membership of the European Union. And actually, Britain has been leading the way when we were in the European Union in terms of employment law. But what I would like to see that we can do now is take on some of the big corporations where their power of lobbying in the European Union was much higher. And you know, there's been a lot of people at each other's throats here today because there's, you know, small businesses employing people, but really it's the big corporations that are the problem because the playing field isn't level because they don't pay tax and everyone else does. So that's what we've got to address.
And will we be better able... The French have managed to bring in much more just or punitive, depending on your perspective, tax arrangements for companies that have got a softer deal here. So not necessarily relevant whether we're in the European Union or not.
Well, I think the majority of the country really wants to see change on that, and that's the difference, because now we have sovereignty over our own parliament, we can force politicians to make a change.
But the French could do that before.
Happen. Yeah, well, I mean, the French have a different employment system, and I think in many ways their employment system isn't set up for growth in the way ours is. But in terms of protecting workers' rights, they do have some advantages. The point is, I think that we've got to realise that we have the power now in Britain to elect our officials, and we need to use it.
Who do you speak about? We, like
the British people. We know because I don't want to put you on the spot, but most people don't know who their MEP is. They don't know who the European Commissioner is. So they don't have any direct connection with the people that are in power and making the decisions. I hope that the British people really stand up now, bang the table, and say these are the things we want. And you know, politics at the moment, I know a lot of people don't have much faith in it, and I don't either, but it's collapsing around us. We can rebuild it in the form that we want to, but it's up to everyone in the country to do it.